In this tutorial, I will show you how to allow your users get your business location that is closest to them. This powerful feature allows businesses that have multiple locations to help their customer easily find the location near them. User shares their location inside the bot, and the bot finds the location closest to the user. To set this up, go to Find Places Near Me under Tools. Add the name of the location, the latitude, and the longitude. Go to the Flow Builder, select Action, and search for Find Location Near Me action. Let me show you. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.